Hi everyone, so today I'll show you the misstable command, which can be quite useful in your data cleaning process. I entered some data with missing values just as an example. Now the misstable command has a few variations. The first I'll show you is the misstable summarize, which shows a table of the variables with missing values and how many missing values each variable has. It also adds a few more information about those variables. Then the misstable pattern command shows the percentage of how each pattern appears in the dataset. We can see that half of our observations has no missing values, but then we see that the percentage of each combination of missing values in each variable. Lastly, the misstable tree command gives us a table where each column sums to the total number of observations and is organized from the variable with the most missing values to the least. Notice we use the frequency option, otherwise we would get percentage. That's it. Thanks for watching.